Hey everyone, so this is a tutorial on the gear cube. This will also work for the gear ball. So the first step you want to do with this puzzle is you want to solve the corners. But before we do that, I should tell you that because of the simplicity of this puzzle, with the corners, you'll only ever have the pieces, like the stickers, be on the correct face or on the opposite face. Ignore the centers for this, just focus on it relative to the other corners. So you'll only ever have a white sticker with another white sticker or with the yellow stickers. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to pair up two of these pieces, but have it be correct with being white and being correct having the correct color here. So you want to locate the other pieces. Let's go with the white green. The other white green is down here. When you rotate this puzzle, it will rotate the outer layer twice and the inner layer once. So 180 degrees and 90 degrees. So because of this, I know that the piece I want to get paired up here should be in this location. So I just turn the bottom face to get into that location and turn it back up. Another great thing about this puzzle is it will also solve the other pair for me, which is really simple because all I have to do now is turn this face upwards and match it up with the white and red and white and orange and complete the face. This step is fairly intuitive, so it's easy enough to do. Then, if you want to get the others correct, they already are. The only thing that you might get is you might get like this where it's not quite matched up, which is easy enough to fix because it's just a simple moving the layer twice. And it's done. The next step is you want to solve the centers. You'll only have two cases. One where all the centers are solved, and then one like this where two centers are solved, but the other four are incorrect. You'll find them on the opposite face because there are so few combinations that can happen with this puzzle. So, what you want to do with this is very simple. Put it on what would be the M-slice layer, and then all you have to do is R4. It will move these pieces all back, and then move the centers to the opposite face. Next, you want to solve these edges. Now, you don't have to worry about these stickers over here, and you don't have to worry about the orientation of these stickers either, or the gears either. You just want to make sure that they're in the correct place. So, I'm going to show you a fairly simple algorithm. What this algorithm does is it swaps this piece with this one, and this one with this one. So it's R4, U2, R4, U2. Fairly simple. And one thing that should be noted about this is it has a consequence. It will actually swap the location of these gears as well on the middle layer. It swaps this one with this one, and I believe it also swaps this one with this one. But you don't really have to pay attention to that, it doesn't matter. What you're actually looking for is a face that has the colors that need, one face that needs to have all the pieces swapped, like with this. You can actually do this by, if you see a case where none of them are done, do it to one like you saw me do before, and then it sets it up where either you'll have a scenario on another face that can be done with this algorithm, or on the same face. So, now you want to do it with this. You need to swap the blue and the green, and the blue and yellow with the green and yellow. You're going to do this again afterwards with the orange and red pieces. So, R4, U2, R4, U2. See how it moves this piece here, and this one here, and then this piece here, and this one here? Well, this has to do with the puzzle's relativity, and one thing you'll notice is if you do it again with these pieces and these ones, using this algorithm, it will actually fix this problem. So, do it again. R4, U2, R4, U2. And now the pieces are back in the correct place. And you'll also have the top face solved. Now, I'm going to actually show you how to solve the Tony Fisher stickers. It's a fairly simple case. R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, U2. You do that and it flips these Tony Fisher stickers and then the ones in the back. So if you want to know what it looks like beforehand, you'll have this layer have all the solved ones on it, and you'll have the face that's looking at you have incorrect ones, and the face opposite to you have incorrect ones. And that's simple R2U2, R2U2, R2U2. Now, you're almost finished solving the cube. All that's left is for you to rotate these gears. And all you have to do with this cube is keep turning one of the layers to forcibly move the middle layer until the gears solve. Because what this is doing is you keep moving this layer into a correct position and this layer into an incorrect position. Then, after doing it again, it moves it back and rotates these gears once. So you just keep doing R4s, well actually R8s, until you have a solved puzzle. That's really all there is to this puzzle. This is my first tutorial, so please let me know what I actually need to improve on. I figure I could probably be, I could clarify more on some of the issues with the solving. I find that I try to be a little bit more intuitive, and I assume that my viewers have a decent understanding about cubes already. So please let me know if I need to improve on anything or simplify. Thanks a lot and have a great day.